Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, to the new video. So it's been a very long time. I almost forgot that I had a passion to create learning videos about AS400, COBOL, RPGLE. So I have decided to start with the videos again. So maybe I'll try this time not, to not again run away. So, anyways, so I'm thinking today we'll talk about a little bit modern side of the AS400, a little bit of VS Code and how we can do programming with VS Code, how we can connect AS400 to VS Code, and maybe how we can use AI to, write a few codes or refactor a few codes. So let's not delay anymore. Let's start with the video and let's see how much we can achieve. So firstly, this is my VS Code. So I hope you all have VS Code installed. So yeah, a lot of you might know how to connect AS400 to VS Code, but this video is specifically for the people who have not explored this area. So I would like to, give you a small guide or tour on how you can connect AS400 to VS Code. So basically, this is my VS Code, this fresh version of VS Code I just installed. So first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to go into this extension part and we are going to search for code for ibmi. I think, okay, it's not installed for me, so I'll install it. So you install this extension, sorry. So once this extension is installed, you'll see an icon, ibmi icon appear here. So currently I'm connected to pub 400. So this is my pub 400 session. So here, as you see, connect to an IBMI. So we'll click on connect to IBMI. Here we will give the connection name. The connection name I'm giving is pub 400. Then you'll need to give, so it could be any any connection, not necessarily pub 400. You can work with your office system as well if you know the IP, or if you're aware of those things, the port, everything, SSH connection, then you can easily connect it to your office workspace as well. But keep in mind, before changing anything, you should always have a backup. So for me it's pub 400, so pub400.com, and port we are going to use 22 for now. We'll see if it works. If not, then we'll see. So I'll give my username and I'll give my password. Okay, I'll do save password, and yeah, that's about it. So I'll hit connect. Let's see if it connects. Okay, so port 22 is not reachable. So in this case, what we can do is, sorry, okay. So in this case, where did my session go? Yeah, okay, it's back. So in this case, we can go to the connection settings. We can not the connection settings, I think. So in this case, just give me a second. Okay. Login settings. Yeah. So use port 4 times 2, 2222. So that should work. Save. So if I try to connect again, I guess it will connect. It's not connected. Okay. Check your credentials. I might have given wrong credentials. I'm sorry. Bear with me, please. Might have given wrong credentials, password. Okay. Let's save. Let's try once more. Yeah, now it will connect. My bad. I have given the wrong password. Anyways, so I don't edit these videos as such. I just keep it as much real as possible. so and as a result it becomes a little bit long, maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes sometimes. So I would suggest stay till the end. Don't skip. I purposely don't edit the videos so that you get the raw feeling of how I'm saying what I'm saying, so you can follow through. So anyways, yeah, it's connected. So see, so now we can, there are no local actions, not required right now, ignore. Okay, so here once you have connected, you will be seeing your library. The current production library for me is Cyan 4001. For you, it could be something else which has been given by PUF 400. Now, as you can see in my PUF 400, the particular source that I mean, the source file and the library I'm working with is qtest src and ion 4001. So what you are going to do, you're going to create a new filter here. Name the filter something, maybe, I'll just name it by the name of this, and for AYA, sorry, AYAN 4001. Um, then object, here you give star all, so it shows you all kinds of objects. And that's about it. You just save the settings. Okay, one second. I think I'm missing something. Libraries, yeah, libraries. You give your own library which you need. Okay, your current production library. So basically, what it does is now it's created an object browser. Now, if I drop it down, it will only show you everything that's present in AYAN 4001 library. So if I come down, see, I'll be able to see a folder called qtest src, right? So if I open this qtest src, see, I'll be able to see all the sources present in here, like BLD, INQ, API, CL message with CL message with 2, COBOL 001, right? All these are present. See, so basically, if I open, I'll open one and I'll show you. Yeah, so this is a basic CL program, like to compile a SQLRPGLE program. Okay, so these are like simple programs, just for example. So in VS Code also you can write different programs. So we'll come back to that. Uh, so this is the basic funda of how we can connect VS Code with our AS400.